What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to connect your Payoneer account to your Fiverr account, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So let's say you want to set up your Payoneer account. So Fiverr's Payoneer account payout method sends your available funds to your Payoneer balance so that you can withdraw your earnings directly to Payoneer. Learn more about withdrawals with me. So to set up your Payoneer account method, you need to go to basically log into your account, go switch to selling and select my business and earnings. After it, what you need to do is click manage payout methods, and basically you need to verify it. You choose your preferred verification method, which is either an SMS or a call. This step is required when you haven't added a payout method in the past. Learn about the phone verification with me also in the future. So basically what you need to do is log in, switch to selling, then select my business and go to earnings. Click manage payouts and verify it's you. Either select SMS or call. My honest advice is select SMS. Then after it you need to select Payoneer account as your payout method of choice and set your preferred currency. This is an important thing because you will get paid in that set currency in the future, so make sure to select one that suits you the most. So after it, what you need to do is redirect to email. Basically click the link received to sign up or log into your Payoneer account and connect it to Fiverr. So there are some important things you need to know. Any funds withdraw with Payoneer account payout method will be sent directly to your balance. You can only have one active Payoneer account method at a time. The minimum withdrawal is $7 and there is a $3 withdrawal fee. Your payment processor may apply extra fees and transfer may take up to 2 business days. Withdrawals in a currency other than USD will include currency conversion fees. The payout method is not available to users in Russia, Cuba, Iran, North Korea, Syria, and Sudan. So overall guys, that's the entirety of the process on how to connect your Payoneer account to your Fiverr account. Basically that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye guys.